Coming to this whole issue of money and flexibility point, I like to just, in fact, before that, I just wanted to ask Yamini. We have talked all over about the general principle of decentralization has been that the closer you are to actually performing the function, the more authority, the more sort of flexibility you should have there. So I was very curious because I thought it was a little ironical. What was the motivation for the doubt which raised this whole question that if 14th Finance Commission more money goes to state, it will get frittered away? It sort of contradicts the fundamental logic. Well, why did we even raise that doubt? Though finally your conclusions are it's not true. But I was very curious to know why did it even start? Because when we talk about...
Everybody else was worried about
yeah, it started from probably some kind of an opinion, but I'd like to just highlight 2 or 3 points in that. The first point is, probably it will give a better picture if you try to look at, Dr. Santosh Mathew made the point that while we got more money, it also got tied up. Here, what is happening when we discuss and debate it, we are talking about more money, more flexibility, sort of in a synonymous term, which is not so.
Sure.
We got more money, but we did not necessarily get more flexibility. To get the same amount of Government of India, till yesterday or till last year, we used to put 25 rupees out of for getting 75. Today, to get 60, I have to put 40. So why I am getting more money?
But there was a net increase.
Yes, ma'am, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
While there is a net increase, whether that is necessarily resulting in net flexibility, increase in flexibility is a question.
Yeah.
Second point which we need to not forget is, all CSS transfers are very rigid transfers against schemes.
Yeah.
When scheme transfers increased, what also happened was, Government of India disowned a lot of what was already happening. So it said, I won't fund JNR, but I'll start funding Smart City. Now the state government has to first fund the balance of JNR.
Right.
And then end up providing its share for Smart City also.
ICDS?
And like this, I mean, I just gave an example, but and like this. So the issue which I would like, probably the greater segregation could come in if you had looked at what state was spending on a particular sector.